applying my rooster sticker to my planner. This sticker was a lot of fun to make. I used watercolors to create it. I used red for the crown, brown for the neck, and I worked in some black for part of the body as well as for the remainder of the tail. I used sky blue for part of the tail as well as orange and purple watercolors. This sticker was a lot of fun to make, and it's crowing in the morning and it's saying good morning. So I'm going to take the back off of this sticker, and it's real nice and sticky, and I'm going to apply it to the center of my planner. It's really easy to apply, and it was a lot of fun to create.